What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. Today we are going to be doing a summation. So write a program that finds a summation of every number from 1 to num. Now this can be probably done with for loops. So that's what I'm going to go with. Let's first get rid of all this nonsense here. This happens when you create a project from the get-go. Then let's clean up main because, again, this is just stock. We're not gonna do any parameters on this one. We're gonna do I forgot what it's called. Actually, I haven't even entered it. Just click on it. Summation. Then we're going to do int num. Then we're going to have a for loop from 1 to num. Now there's another function where it goes from, I think it takes 2 parameters. It goes from one number to the other number. But whenever that challenge comes up, you know, we'll be there. So in this case, oh, see, that's weird. I got an initialization. I didn't the other day. Why now? That's weird, right? Why now? What did I do differently? So we're gonna have int I equals, let's say, we're gonna start with the 1. Yeah, just like it said here. And then we're gonna do as long as I is less than or equal to num. And then our increment is just going to be by 1, right? Just by 1. And our statements, I haven't created the variable just yet, but we're just going to have total plus equals I. That should do the job. Let's go ahead and create total, which is going to be 0, and then just return total. So total, and then also, actually, let's have a little space here. Let's have a little space there as well. Let's go ahead and run it. Wait, I'm not even calling it. So let's say cout, let's say summation, what should we call? Summation 8. Summation 8 should be 36. So let's see. Oh, I forgot to do this here. So using namespace std build successful. So 36. So we're good. So all we gotta do is just go ahead and copy it. Oh, why did I copy the full? I forget to copy just the internals. I always copy the full function. Anyways, I feel pretty good about this one. So we're gonna go ahead and just go straight into the attempt. No test. And there it is. I passed it. We're gonna go ahead and jump into a new one. Remove string spaces. This one can also be a for loop. So let's go ahead and actually, again, let's just enter it. I think it's going to be a string. So it's going to return the function that removes the spaces from a string, all spaces, then return a resulting string. So what we're going to do is, string, let's do it exactly how it is there. Just so we can have those standard tags. And then we'll call it, you know, whatever the name is. In this case, no space. And I don't know why it says constant standard string X. Wait, what? Wait, what is that? Are those 2 variables or what's going on here? I don't know what's going on here. I'm just going to do one string and then we'll go from there. Actually, return. We are going to have a return, but we'll go ahead and change it up a little bit. What are we going to call? What are we going to test it with? No space. Int num. I don't know about int num. No space. We're going to do... Let's try one of these here. Let's try this one. And then we'll get rid of the A, because if I put that on there, it's not going to work. So we'll go ahead and start. I was going to get straight into let, but that's a different language. Let's start with string, and we'll set it to we'll set it to nil space. I don't know. Nil space. For loop. Okay, we're gonna go through a for loop. We're gonna go through. Oh no, it is an int. It is an int I. And then 0, and then we're gonna go into I is less than. Yeah, less than string. Wait. Oh, it is. It is. Okay. I see what's going on here. Wait, for the ants, am I gonna need a standard or no? I see what it is here. So it's string. It's a constant string x. That's what we got over here. I'm not gonna do a constant. Yeah, we'll skip on that. And then we're gonna do a, let's say, well, yeah, let's do just a regular increment, and then we'll be in here. So if xi is not equal to space, then nil space plus equal xi, and then we'll go ahead and just return no space, and that should do the job, right? I don't think I'm missing anything. Invalid. Oh, I need to use a standard, I think. What else? Let's give it some time so it could either turn red or, yep, turn red. X. Oh, I know what I need to do. I need to, because it's a string, so I need to do x dot size. Wait. Size. There we go. Alright, it should be good. No. Xi not equal to. Comparison between pointer and integer. What about it? It should work, right? Oh, it needs to be a constant? Or, I don't know that. Wait, does it? Because I'm only getting 1, so it needs to be a character. Comparison between a character, that should work. Also, I can't use, let's see down here. I need the standard down here as well. Let's just run it. Build failed. I feel like I've done this before though. No space. I'm comparing a single spot in the string x. So you can't do a comparison. Is that what it is? So, okay, so let's just make it constant then. Is that what it is? We just need a constant. What else do we need? Do we need a constant here as well? What is this? A constant paradise? Wait, no, this is gonna change, bro. Let's see. Build failed. Okay, we'll deal with this in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.